They say that buying a home is probably the single largest investment you'll ever make. And if you're building one, it's probably the most stressful. Today's well-informed homeowners are looking for newer, more efficient, and more responsible ways to build and maintain their home. Let's face it, what we're really looking for is our dream home. A place that's safe for our families, comfortable, quiet, energy efficient, and environmentally friendly, but at the same time allowing for flexibility of design and lower ongoing maintenance costs. Picture yourself living in a home that can offer you all this. Now, isn't this your dream home? A home like this could change the way you live. The good news is that these homes exist. They're not just a dream. They're very real. In fact, you could say they're as solid as concrete. All of these homes have been built using insulated concrete forms, or ICFs. Since ancient times, people have relied on the properties of stone, masonry, and concrete to protect them from natural and man-made perils. ICF technology brings those time-tested materials into the world of modern construction. Building homes using ICFs has become increasingly popular since the early 1990s. Since then, ICF technology has evolved into a superior building product. Other building products simply cannot compete on the same level when you compare all the benefits of a concrete home. These days, homes built from concrete makes up around 18% of new residential construction and is steadily growing as homeowners and builders discover the advantages and comforts of concrete homes. Benjamin Franklin said, "The way to save money is not to spend it." Insulation performance is measured in R value. R value is a measure of thermal resistance, or how well a material resists heat loss or gain. The higher the R value, the better the product's resistance. Expanded polystyrene, which is used in manufacturing ICFs and other insulation products, typically has a high R value. Additionally, the concrete walls of an ICF home have a high thermal mass, which buffers the interior of a home from extremes of outdoor temperatures. Without help from your heating or cooling systems, your home will stay warmer in the winter and cooler in the summer. ICF homes have reduced air infiltration due to the continuous air barriers provided by the foam insulation and the concrete. The result is significantly less dust, pollen, and other air pollutants. This means more living comfort for the homeowner. Combining the high R value of expanded polystyrene with the benefits of concrete and the reduction in air infiltration results in homes with documented energy savings of up to 70%. In addition, it also saves the homeowner money by allowing the installation of smaller, less costly heating and cooling equipment. This alone can save thousands of dollars in home building.
You can take a 3,000 square foot typically built fiberglass insulated house in the United States, and it's going to average about $300 per month in total utilities. Doing it the energy-wise way with ICF construction, that same house will typically average about $90 per month. So there's roughly $210 per month in total energy savings. When you analyze the cost to do ICF construction and the things we ask them to do additional on this house, it may run $5,000 to $10,000 additional. When you take that money and you amortize it into a 30-year mortgage, even at 7.5% interest, it's only going to work out to about $60 a month. So when you deduct that $60 a month from the $210 savings, you're always in positive cash flow from day one.
Cars, trains, planes, neighbors, there's a lot of outside noises that can disturb the tranquility that your home should provide for you. In sound transmission tests, ICF walls and floors allow less than a third of the sound to pass through than ordinary wood-framed walls filled with fiberglass insulation. One of the first things that impress owners of ICF homes is how quiet they are inside. Even if you live close to a busy street where cars and buses pass by all day, the sound doesn't penetrate. ICF homeowners who have incorporated ICF flooring experience incredible sound isolation from level to level. So reading a book in peace and quiet is possible while just above you a movie is blaring on a surround sound stereo system. The concrete walls of an ICF home give it a remarkably solid feel, as well as make it safer for your family. Concrete flooring combined with radiant in-floor heating not only provides a unique and durable finish, but is incredibly warm during the winter months. If you happen to live in an area prone to hurricanes, tornadoes, or earthquakes, it just makes sense to build with ICFs. Think of these pieces of wood as flying debris in a tornado. Reinforced concrete, however, has a fighting chance, and concrete and ICF homes have been left standing in areas leveled by total devastation. Anyone who has had a house fire knows how quickly you can lose it all. With wood-framed homes, you literally have seconds to get out with your lives. Because the expanded polystyrene foam is treated with a fire retardant, ICF walls can withstand intense flames for up to 4 hours. This is considerably longer than wood-framed walls. Even insurance companies are recognizing the value of concrete homes, and many are offering a discount to ICF homeowners. Local and national government programs exist to reimburse or provide grants if you're building an energy-efficient home. Neither EPS nor concrete will ever mold or rot, and concrete can be exposed to the elements for centuries without any ill effects. And living in areas where the weather is often wet can take its toll on your house. When houses are subjected to a lot of dampness, it translates to mold, mildew, and in many instances, rot. You can spend thousands of dollars fixing up areas where the walls rot out. With an ICF house, those problems are a thing of the past. Building with ICFs are considerably more healthy, both for the homeowners and the environment as well. People should and have begun to question the wisdom of replacing our homes every 25 to 50 years. That's right, if you live in a wood-framed home, the life cycle of that home is approximately 50 years before it will need significant renovations or replacement.
Building with insulating concrete forms means you'll have a longer life cycle for your home.
There is very little construction waste left behind when building an ICF house, and the pieces that are left over can easily be recycled. That cuts down on waste removal costs and minimizes the impact on the environment. ICF homes require less resources for heating and cooling, so that obviously has a positive impact on the environment. The air quality inside your home is improved by using ICFs. No toxins are released into the air from ICFs, and ICF walls are airtight and reduce infiltration, creating a mold-free environment and eliminate drafts and cold spots. Another advantage of an ICF building is that there is no food source for insects and other small animals. That means that only you live in your home as intended. Quad Lock Building Systems is the industry leader for insulating concrete forms. Quad Lock brings all the desirable characteristics of ICF technology with the flexibility you can only get from a panel system. The Quad Lock system consists of panels, ties, metal track, and metal corner brackets. The few components of the Quad Lock system ensure simplicity in design, construction, and supply. A Quad Lock home can be designed in any style, since the forms can easily be shaped to match design elements for any modern building. The Quad Lock system makes it easy to apply any exterior finish, including vinyl, stucco, and brick. Combining Quad Lock walls with quad deck floors and roofs creates the best shelter money can buy. Radiant in-floor heating with stamped and colored concrete floors can easily be integrated in one step. Builders love the Quad Lock system because there is no special ordering of corners or other unique architectural elements. All of these can be made on site.
There's no other system on the market that offers the same level of design flexibility that Quad Lock does. Anything that we want to do with Quad Lock, we can do with little or no trouble at all.
And Quad Lock panels have the highest available insulation values and densest foam on the market.
We used an insulating concrete form of Quad Lock. We built this structure, and here we rated #1, the highest one that they've ever rated. So if that's not a testimony to the product, the versatility of the product, and the way it works, I mean, you can't ask for anything else. It's the best of the best.
The Quad Lock system is fast to learn and easy to use. Anyone with construction experience can quickly get up to speed in building with it. Plus, Quad Lock provides world-class support services, including various installer training programs that provide you with all the help you need to complete a successful building project. The Quad Lock system is a building code approved system that has been used in most regions and climates for over 10 years. It's accepted by virtually thousands of builders around the globe as the best ICF on the market. Quad Lock's unique tie and corner design ensures a problem-free job during the pour of the concrete, a critical step in creating an ICF home. Another great benefit to builders using the quad lock system is that quad lock creates less waste compared to block systems. With quad lock, most parts that need to be cut can be reused in the same project. Quad Lock's head office is located in Vancouver, BC, and they've been providing superior building systems since 1994. Quad Lock is the only ICF company that's been certified by a third party to be conforming to the International Standards Organization, or ISO, quality system. This ensures consistent, high quality of all Quad Lock's products and services. In addition, product is always easily available through regionally stocking dealers located all across North America and throughout the world. Just how expensive is it to get all these benefits? The truth is that you can get Quad Lock ICF technology for a lot less than you'd think. Using the Quad Lock system is so efficient to build with and easy to use that the cost of building a home with it is comparable to that of an ordinary 2x6 wood-framed house. But of course, you get so much more for your money. Energy efficiency, disaster resistance, environmentally responsible, low maintenance, peace and tranquility with a proven and successful product. It seems that your dream house may be more of a reality than you once thought. ICF Construction is simply the best choice to make when it comes to building your dream home. So what's your next step? Visit the Quad Lock website at quadlock.com for brochures, technical manuals, and to locate the dealer in your area. Or call 888-711-5625.